There's the problem.
I'm gonna have to clearance that
See
more
that?
now.
So I can't clearance this anymore.
All right. Well, we got to figure out how to cut this. And right there where it's still hitting. So we need probably another 50, 60 thousandths to make sure it clears and stays clear. So I know the other video was pretty long on this. So hopefully I could get this. I'm going to try to get this bearing off without destroying it, but that ain't probably going to happen. So I'm going to get another bearing. I'm going to chuck this up on the lathe and then mill this down. This way we got enough clearance. Alright.
So we are cutting out a groove where this touches. You can see we marked this line also, because we can't really go much more on this. That way we can get our clearance where the gears touch.
Bolt on, baby, bolt on.
Oh yeah. So
bolt on, you gotta have a lathe, a milling machine, CNC machine, welder, TIG welder.
So we're doing this, and we'll get enough off of it, and then we'll check it, and we'll see. We were able to get the bearing back off, so we're doing this. All right.
So I think we got enough material off of there. We'll put the bearing back on it and check it out.
Hopefully it works.
Yep. All right.
Got about a piece of paper. It's got to go back a little bit though.
We gotta go back.
We got two pieces of paper. We're good.
I went tight, so now I know we could go back. So
boom, man. Got our light guy instead of the boom mic.
Alright, so right now we're at what? What do we say we're at?
We're at 8. I'm not 8. We're at only like 5. We need 8. Make sure you check it once it's tight. And
we're gonna go all the way one way. Right. That's 6, 7, 7. Let's go a hair more. Hair more. Can't hurt nothing. Okay.
right on the money.
Yeah, can't get better than that. Okay. So now, all right, that's that. Now we're gonna put the pattern thing on it, it's like paint or whatever. And then I'll show you that part. So now I'm gonna make sure this is tight. I think this one's a little. Put it on here like that.
You gotta do all of them?
No.
Oh.
You're gonna do a little section.
How many are in this one?
You know what? I didn't even look and see what gears they are. So if you count how many of these and how many of those and divide them, and that'll tell you what it is. All right. So now this is what happens, like this, right? And you got. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is you put a little bit of pressure on this, or else this is a freewheel. So you put a little bit of pressure on this with your palm. This is going forward, right? So we're gonna go a little bit of pressure. So now it's gonna go in, it's gonna get around the other one. And then when it comes around to this other side, that's your pattern. See it?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. Just like that. Then you look in there. Oh, that's my face.
All right, you're fired.
That's a good pattern. Right in the middle. Just like that. That's the contact area. All right. All right, let's go. Beautiful. Let's put this thing back together. Get some gear oil in this sucker and go. Now, if you want to check backlash, right, you can also go this way, and then you can check it. Like that. See?
The other way, yeah.
Same thing.
Yep.
This way you don't hear that, ooh, when you're slowing down.
All right.
All right. All right, a little silicone. Put that on there. Put a little bead on the back of that, and then we'll stick it in there. All right.
All right, torpedo loaded. Try to pick it up in there. Go get all the there's the washers, all the nuts are on top of the machine right there.
Actually, you know what? You need to wash all those. Run them in the machine. I mean, in the parts washer, real quick. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. Be doing dual burnouts in no time. All right, when you're done with that, that's good, right? Run these bolts in.
Yeah.
On these. And then I'll put the shaft back in. Fill it up with gear oil. He's putting a dry shaft in. I got the drums back on. Start putting the wheels back on and we go for a ride. That's two. That's it. Let's see. Yep, right there. Looks nice in there. Okay. 2 quarts. Plug back in it. And then you guys let it down, put the wheels back on, and then go in the trunk and see if we can get them 2 hangers off. Or reach behind the seat or something, hopefully. Josh is up in the trunk. I got that one. It had double. Hold on. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. All right. 20 pounds of hanger on this thing.
So get it back on the lift, make sure there's no leaks. No humming, no grinding, no nothing. That's good. So that's the end of this part of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the comments. We're probably going to be doing one of these next. You'll see that coming up in the next video probably. And then we'll tackle the quarter panels.